Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A1 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into settings. Then you need to tap on sound section over here, scroll down and select vibrate vocals. Then tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so have to click on it and go back. Then scroll down again and click on additional settings. Then select the switcher next to charging sounds and vibration to switch it off or on, and manage touch vibrations by clicking on this one in order to enable or disable haptic feedback for tap, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!